Renowned country and pop sensation Maren Morris is making headlines with her recent decision to distance herself from the country music scene. In a candid interview with the Los Angeles Times, Morris revealed her motivations for leaving behind a genre that has played a significant role in her career for the past decade. Morris's latest musical project, the 2-track EP, The Bridge, appears to symbolize her transition from country music to a new phase in her artistic journey. It features songs like The Tree and Get the Hell Out of Here, which reflect her changing perspective on the genre and her role within it. On The Tree, she sings about cutting down a tree with rot at its roots, using it as a metaphor for addressing deep-seated issues. She implies that blame is often misplaced, alluding to the challenges she faced within the country music industry. One of the primary reasons behind Morris's decision to step away from country music is her perception of the industry's reluctance to confront its historical problems rooted in racism, misogyny, and a lack of inclusivity. Morris, a vocal advocate for LGBTQIA+ rights and gender-affirming healthcare, has become outspoken on these issues. Morris spoke candidly about her growing disillusionment with the industry, particularly in the aftermath of the Trump era, where she sees a toxic culture that celebrates prejudiced beliefs. She felt increasingly isolated amid the polarization within the community and the rise of right-leaning views among some artists and fans. And Morris did not hold back when discussing the popularity of songs like Jason Aldean's Try That in a Small Town, which stirred controversy due to its perceived pro-violence message. She suggested that people were streaming such songs not out of genuine appreciation for the music but as a form of political expression, weaponizing music in culture wars. Despite her decision to step back from the genre, Morris emphasized her desire to create music that reflects her evolving views. She revealed that she is collaborating with producer Jack Antonoff, known for his work with Taylor Swift, on a new album. Morris's journey from country star to a more independent and outspoken artist marks a significant shift in her career. Her willingness to address controversial topics and her commitment to supporting marginalized communities continue to define her artistic journey. As she embarks on this new chapter, music enthusiasts expect Morris to deliver music that is both emotionally resonant and thought-provoking, irrespective of genre boundaries. Her decision to step away from country music may be seen as a testament to her dedication to her principles and her determination to use her platform to drive change in an industry she believes has room for improvement. While the genre may be losing one of its prominent voices, Morris's artistic evolution promises to be a journey worth following.